Okay, here's the video for YouTube. Here's my pool. We'll walk around it. It's pretty big. That don't look right. Anyway, yeah, it's huge. It's big, like my car. Walk around this. If you can actually see, the diameter is pretty huge. Yeah. Takes about maybe about 1/3 of my backyard with green grass. Check this out. I don't know why, but my stupid parents left the thing in there, the ladder. It kind of looks weird. If you look at the ladder inside, it looks kind of tilted. If you can see it, it looks weird, trippy. When you look at it from right here, it's normal. Alright. Oh, well, yeah, that's about it.